Kiko bekire kwene kyo kugenda rinko gendeta saba sayawo.
Bia mono. Igente getanga ninda gotebi umwana ominto nkeringa. Woniga the main focus igeron ngakitoko protect afya yomusai. Use yomonga na use omwana use muntu ndagwensime ye county ya Kisii. Because intota itiko take risk naro inga nge lazima ogende go participate igeti okwe o contract over wa covid okwe but kubwati protocol chirichia na into national government the ministry of sports we have been having controlled sporting activities chigenderete unabono iga our team of Shabana is still participating in the national NSL, that is the National Super League. Bagenderete to participate. What was done in Kelinga, it was reduced it completely. So we did away completely. Na mangana ya mashabiki. Bari bago chako correct. Uichorana go tangamana within the playing facilities. Igo we still having. Kwanza last week we had under 20 athletics championships. Iga Kisii Stadium. The numbers were properly controlled and the activity went on. Again, don't ask about Kelinga. Togendere mono igo tuhakikishe chiko sorry chonspi. Ebe valuable ebe kia mu chonspi. Nko bachire control. Abantu bagendere go participate, but in a controlled manner. Just the way it's been happening internationally. Ever.
Kono n'abana boda abangina basayine ndimbare bategemeto bonchiriri bwa mugoro ayebe no musisi o youths muroberi ko abekire ko batanga kurasa harassment y'abanyanyimbo
obonchoro bwa mugoro bari chikori bekire baba irire ngaki by saa moja abantu bakoreke batuke nyumba egekora bono iga covid buna muharu cheri madaraka de ya chitekisumu Kisii County bono iga has been red flagged igo ibintu binde ntonya go debate ntonya gukora kiango ebanga ebuno mwana boda oyebanga onye kwabo kimambi boka mapema chaki gasi ya mapema onye kwari guchaka saa 2 control your time chaka nonya 6 am egere you cover this time chigogo sirie chia mogoroba chia uchaka saa 1 mpaka saa 3 otherwise njengu saba none kitabichiri chinkoro bono nabo tigano we covid ebuna yache iga tutigane na chiracho because many times no cases chiaba na boda kuumia emergency ga section yetu ya nyagitari bono iga they have reduced chikesi nyinge chi ariko happen gutuko muntari akominyoka mono munta akominyoka niya bugete nganku bwati gwari kurumaga n'abasikari n'ebintu bunebi igo manage your time chaki gasi yago mapema kore gasi yago mapema by 7 actually abantu mbaragu tuakuri ngese ngejo bone ka vinyera netu saa moja boni iga people even living peacefully no nya sawa korona banjite bono mulembe uno yo mugoro w'abantu batimuka bororo batogo kolegasi bakamwambisa asita ya butuko kwa makubuke mambia maisa abalirete kwagendia umuntu epigipigi kwa mutineri insorosete. People need to rest. Let's manage ourselves, let's manage our time. It's very possible.
Thank you.
Sports. Kisii corona chamente no korengeri ni wante chigo sori go kanu asinga ke.
Okay. Kisii corona chiamente kanirene kene ime ya Kisii na some sections within the country. Again don't keringa hakuna haja yuko kana chigo sori kogenderera. What we are going to do is to continue and actually ndora tu a number of cases or many cases chiko reported through sporting activities within Kisii County, even within the country. The simple thing in getting let's control the numbers. Baguchigetia mashabiki yaro, we do away with them completely. Egere meyegeti tuwa kishanga onyege kunyarekana abantu ba follow what is happening at the stadium or the stadiums through the through the air, our television sets and the like. Baka china mbachia COVID-19 chirani rezi.
Biamono.